Hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and today I have one heck of a project for you guys, and you'll see why. I'm talking about patio, landscape, a full-blown grand ledge wall, and this thing turned out great, and I just hope you guys enjoy. Here it goes. So this is our job site for today, this beautiful home on a lake, and this is the grand ledge wall I was talking about. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to record that just because we had a whole different crew out for that, but I do have a before picture and I'll make sure to put that up for you guys. However, what we're here to do is a patio under this deck, and I'll admit it, this one was a little bit tricky, but not tricky enough for our foreman Jose, who was able to make quick work out of this. And it didn't help that we had the neighbor constantly complaining to us about noise, but what can you do? Anyways, let's get to building this patio. We ended up bringing the dingo out just to make our lives a whole lot easier, and it did. And a lot of dirt that we dug out, we ended up using it at the bottom of the yard just because it was really low down there. We made like a dirt assembly line with wheelbarrows just to get the dirt all the way down there, and you'll see in the video. But just an FYI, we only ever reuse the dirt if it's good dirt. This dirt was really good dirt. It had a few rocks that could easily be raked out, but other than that, good dirt. Over there. By this point, we had all of our crushed concrete down. We were just tamping it, and we were ready to start bringing in slacks in. But that's when the neighbor came out and just started going crazy at us, just started yelling. And I get it. It was 6 p.m. I mean, the city ordinance is no noise after 8 p.m. But there was no warning, no asking politely, nothing like that. Our first impression of their neighbors was just straight up yelling. And obviously, we didn't want to cause any drama, so we just packed up our stuff and left. I forgot to mention that we weren't only doing a patio here. We were also doing a walkway along with some steps going up to the side of the house, all the way to the almost the front yard, I guess. Just keep watching, you'll see how awesome it turned out. It just came out really nice. The crew that installed the Grand Ledge wall couldn't finish this area until we got to the point that we are at with the patio, so we had to help them out real quick with that. And let me tell you, this was not as easy as just picking up a paver and putting it down. This was like how they built the pyramids in Egypt type of work. Like, this was something.
One down. All right, now we know what we're doing. Tight? Yeah.
So, day 3, I'm getting shut down by the neighbors. We would have had this done already, but do so much. So we have 100 of these. 50 go here, 50 go over there.
Oops.
That happens.
No kidding. Oh, I'm so happy it's gonna be some green.
Finally. After how long?
Oh yeah, jungle. So what plants are those?
These are the Pachysandra.
Okay.
Yeah, in the spring they you can see with this one
You get purple flower?
they get the purple flower. I mean, this one still has one.
Oh yeah, perfect.
Due to the scheduling of the patio crew and the setbacks the neighbors caused for us, the patio guys couldn't come out to finish the walkway, not until a couple of days at least. So as you can see, we started working on the landscape just to get that done and taken care of. Been through been through the ringer, but
Sure has. There's 25 in here.
30.
Oh, perfect. Okay. We'll set those up later. That needs a little grade work, eh?
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
That one needs more dirt.
What that was? They got the old O'Reilly's man over there. Did you see it? What? Over there, I think it's Voorhees. There's the old O'Reilly's man. He must have
Jose's looking for one right now. Just to give you an update on what is what, bottom we have our low growing junipers, middle is myrtle, the grasses are the Japanese forest grasses that we always use, and next to that are our bulbo hydrangeas. Do one step at a time.
Nothing. No, he's right there, look it. Playing Tetris, playing Candy Crush.
Play that doodle jump.
He's playing fucking
He's catching up on his Clash of Clans base.
He's feeding his chickens.
Got the ladies that have been yelling at us all week gave us cookies.
I'll be happy this is my last meal.
So this is how we finished our day off, and you have to admit it's looking pretty good, huh? But it's gonna look much better tomorrow once we put our mulch in. And for now, we are watering with that tripod until the sprinkler guys come out and do what they do best. So let's see what tomorrow brings.
No.
So coconut waters. Who else wants what? What about bubbles? Yeah, boolies. Like get some boolies.
Something with caffeine.
Coke Zero.
Coke. You can have drink Coke.
Coke Zeros.
Coke has got a lot of caffeine.
The caffeine we're talking about has 0 sugar.
Not buying Celsius. It gives you a heart attack.
Alright, fine, bang.
Take 20 bucks from Pepper right now.
No, because then everyone's drinking my Celsius that I paid
I'm gonna
for.
give you 20 bucks.
Charge
I'm gonna take 20 bucks out of his paycheck.
No, don't get Celsius. I'll just buy
Don't get
one every
Celsius now.
single
Here,
day.
20 bucks. He's open his big mouth. Here, take 20 bucks. Here's 20 bucks
No.
for Danny's. It's only Danny's. Anybody drinks Celsius, make sure you drink
stop,
it
they're all
when
gonna
he's not
drink it.
looking.
I know how that shit goes.
Make sure you're drinking when he's not looking. 20 bucks for Danny.
Don't take it.
You owe now 20 bucks.
No, he's just gonna pocket it.
Oh, you owe me 20 bucks
I
for
don't care.
the
You owe me
gloves.
20 bucks. You can take that 20 bucks. That's your 20 bucks.
Gloves.
Here's 20 bucks back.
No, not this
Give it back, give it back.
Give it back. He doesn't want it.
It's for gloves I bought for everyone.
Everyone. I give a blow.
Remember I bought like 5 pairs.
Why did you use it first?
Forgot it.
Where's my receipt?
It's declined.
I need my receipt. Give that back. Give that back. I'm tacking you down right now. Give me my money back. Right there.
So this is a surface berry that we're putting in, just letting you guys know what tree it is. And we're surrounding it with supporting light grasses. We additionally put Pachysandra around it because that's what the original plan had. But then we found out the Pachysandras are actually going along the house and the section under the deck. And you'll see what I'm talking about as you watch the video. The patio guys are back to finish this job once and for all. We were just really waiting on them to put the walkway in so we could put the rest of the plants, the rest of the mulch, and just pack up and leave, basically. So this was our project for today. It was one heck of a transformation, and the customer was really happy. If you have any questions, please ask them down in the comments. And as always, on to the next shop.